So hello everyone, my name is Mehervi. So welcome back to our channel Mehervi. So today we are working at our chemistry lab. So we found many topics on our chemistry lab. We found at one topic the working of baking soda and citric acid. So mainly we knew that we need citric acid, baking soda, and we also need the small measuring beaker, the big measuring beaker, and the spatula. So these are the items we need to make our experiment. So for the first experiment we need the big measuring beaker, baking soda. Open the baking soda and get 1 teaspoon of the baking soda. So 1 minute. So now the next we put the baking soda in it. The next is we need a spoon bag and open it. And we should in the first step we need teaspoon of the teaspoon of citric acid. Okay. So next we need in the third step we need a small measuring beaker of water. We should pour 25 ml water in the small measuring beaker. And in the next step, we should pour this water into the solvent of the baking soda and the cirtic acid. See, when we mix the baking soda and the cirtic acid, it shows a fizzy reaction on it. So, can you show the fizzy reaction that is coming out? The work together means it shows that the baking soda and cirtic action how works. So then I will tell you what is the process of this. So when we mix baking soda and cirtic acid together and next a solvent. When we pour the water into them, it makes a solution and show an fizzy reaction. So you like this? So you love this video? So like and subscribe to get more videos of the chemistry and